Okay, now next our topic is types of soil. India is a vast country, as we all know. Our country is very big country and a vast country, and we are having different regions, different type of land we are having, and in the same way we are having different type of soil. Okay, so first of all we are going to study about black soil. Okay, it is also called rugged soil. Please underline these words in your book. Or cotton soil. It means that in this soil cotton is grown in large quantity. We are having more production of cotton in black soil. So this soil is black in color. It has a fine texture and can retain a lot of water. The color of black soil is black, and it retain what are its feature, that it has a fine texture and can retain a lot of water. It has a high humus content. These are also features of black soil, that it has high humus content, means lot of humus is there in this soil, black soil, and is rich in clay. This type of soil is suitable for growing cotton. Okay, it is formed by breaking up of lava rocks. You know what is lava? Lava means when a volcano is erupted and the material that came out from that volcano, that is called lava. So black soil is formed by the breaking up of lava rocks and erupt out of volcanoes, that come out the rocks, or we can say that material come out while eruption of these volcanoes, that is called lava. And this black soil is also formed due to these lavas. So this soil is found in, with the help of a map, political map of India, I will tell you the places where we are having black soil. Okay, so with the help of this Indian political map, I will try to make you understand the places where we are having black soil in India. So first of all, the soil is found in central, this is the central part of India, in the central India, and northwestern. This is your north and this is your western. This is the northwestern part of India. This is the central and northwestern part of India. Okay. Then after that we are having it in southern part of India also. This is the southern part. In which state we are having in southern part of India? We are having it in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, parts of, this is your Karnataka. After that we are having it in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat. Again, see where we are having black soil in India. It is having in the central India. This is your northwestern part of India. These states are in the northwestern part of India. And after that we are having black soil in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, some part of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat. Okay, I hope you have understood this with the help of map also, that the where we are having black soil in India.